Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you about making a roasted red pepper sauce, because I have these two red peppers that I've had for well over a month. These are my last two, and you can see how they're starting to wrinkle. Now, you don't need wrinkled red peppers to do this, but if you find a couple red peppers in your fridge that you kind of forgot about, this is a perfect thing to make. And I'm just going to toss in a little avocado oil. I've got one fairly small shallot. I'm going to cut him in half, and we're going to give him a little oil as well. And next I want 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these skins on. I am not going to take that skin off, because that skin is going to help protect them from burning. A little oil for them. Into your 425-degree oven, 20 to 25 minutes. Check on them every once in a while and keep rotating your peppers till they're charred all the way around. So you see our pretty, even more wrinkly now peppers. Okay, so the shallot I did pull a little early. It's in the blender. Put these peppers into a bowl. Cover them. Give them a good 10-15 minutes to sit and steam, and that's going to make those skins come up so much easier. So my garlic has cooled down enough to touch. I'm just going to cut the top off and just squeeze that roasted garlic out of there. Any kind of liquid in there, we want to keep it all. So we're just going to, they're still a little hot. Wait till they cool down if it's too hot for you. So once you have your roasted red pepper, no skin, no seeds, into the blender. Now let's think about all the different things you can do with this sauce. You can put it on your pizza. You could make like a lasagna with it, like maybe like a zucchini lasagna. I think that would be really good with this sauce. You could do like a chicken parm, but do red pepper sauce. Tonight, I'm using it for chicken meatballs. You can just simply toss some pasta. Now, I don't want to miss any of this goodness, so I'm going to just strain this out. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon each of crushed red peppers and paprika. I'm going to do a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese. I like basil, so honestly, use as much or as little as you like. Now, you want a little bit of chicken stock. Not a lot, and you're just going to kind of add it till it gets to the consistency that you want. It looks pretty. Let's taste. I think it's just perfect. Easy, delicious roasted red pepper sauce. And especially if you got a couple peppers that got a little wrinkly on you, this is the sauce for you.